Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record iPhone screen with sound. If you are using any iPhone and you want to record your iPhone screen with sound, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to scroll down your control center. Very first, I recommend you have to update your software to prevent issues. So you just have to simply go for settings, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your software. Once you update your software, go back from here and you just have to scroll down your control center, and here you just have to look for screen recording feature. If you can't find it here, just tap on the plus option in the top left corner, and here just tap on add a control. Select screen recording, or you can also search for different controls. Just tap on look for screen recording here. Once you get screen recording, tap on it and it will be added to your control center. Now tap on any empty place and it will become back, and here you just have to tap on it whenever you want to start recording. So here you'll get the timer and you can see that your video or your screen is not recording. Just scroll down, keep a long press on it, and here if you want to include your microphone or if you want to record sound, just tap on this microphone option and it will be on. Now you just have to go back, or if you want to choose the app that where you want to start or you want to save your recording, so you can easily select from here. So in my case, I have Photos app, so just go back from here, and here you just have to open the app which you want to record. So you can also record any app from here. So once you have done, just tap on this option and you can stop your recording here, or you can also scroll down, keep a long press on your screen recording option, then tap on stop recording. So it will stop recording and it will be saved and to your Photos app. Just go back from here, open your Photos app, and here you'll get your recording. So in this way, you can easily record your iPhone screen with sound. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.